Hi friends, welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make some Milanesa tonight. So Milanesa is breaded beef steak. That's it. You guys can see I have my little breading station, my egg wash, my adobo, which is what I'm going to be seasoning my meat with because it provides amazing flavor. And here is my meat just to show you it's very thinly sliced, so it's going to be cooking relatively fast. So what I'm going to be doing is separating each little steak and seasoning each of it to make sure there's great flavor. This is the only salt that I'm going to be using, so I want to make sure that there is enough seasoning on both sides of my steak. So I'm going to flip it over and season it again with this adobo seasoning. It already has flavor and salt, so it's like 5 in 1, and that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to take my time and do that for all of my steak just to help provide myself some more time to do the rest of the cooking so I don't have to go back and forth to season. So I don't know why I really put the flour in there. I think it's unnecessary. I just went ahead and dipped my seasoned steak into the egg and then directly onto my breading. I'm using here some panko breadcrumbs. They are nice and crispy and provide really cool crunchy texture more than regular breadcrumbs. So I'm going to do that to each of my steaks. It's optional. If you want to go ahead and do the flouring, you get your steak, put it in the flour, then the egg wash, and then the bread. I didn't really feel it to be necessary because my steak is so thin because it's Milanesa. So, it's up to you, but this is pretty much what we're going to be doing to all of our steaks, making sure they're nicely coated into this beautiful breadcrumbs that are panko. They're coated to your liking, we go ahead and go to our stovetop. We're going to add some avocado oil to our pan or vegetable oil, whatever you have on hand. Wait until it gets hot and put our spreaded steak down and wait a few minutes until one side is nicely golden brown. Once that happens, we flip it to the other side. And if you left a little bit of space between the steak and the breadcrumbs, you can see that it's not a bright red or pink color. Your steak is done. Once it gets nice and golden crispy, we put it on a plate with a paper towel just to catch any excess oil, and we're good to go. To accompany this lovely Milanesa dish, I decided to go with this Nor Suiza delicious fideo. It is super easy. Follow the instructions on the back. This is how I serve my dish once it's done. I have the breaded steak with a little bit of salad and a delicious soup on the side. So I hope this lunch or dinner combo was helpful and that you use it for yourself or your family. If you haven't already, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.